What's good, everyone? This is Chris again, and we are downtown Sacramento at the Penthouse at Capitol Park. I'm having my open house today. As you can see, we're right over at the Rose Garden, and right across the street, we got Cafeteria on L. And then the Penthouse is on top of the Marriott Hotel. And we're gonna start walking in. This place is beautiful, so it's gonna take a minute to get through just because I'm doing a walkthrough. And we're going to go through the service elevator because you can't get to the Penthouse through the regular elevators. That's why we're coming in right now. Ooh. It's like amazing, my guy. Amazing. And so it asked me not to do film them. So that's why we are here. I didn't really show you so much of the Marriott. Yeah. And so to get in, you have to have one of these car keys. Let's see if I can switch the mode. Yeah. One of the car keys. Push that in here. Oop. Press up. Service elevator. So this is the service elevator. So you will see some, some trash from time to time. All right. And so this penthouse is located on the 13th floor, and all the penthouses are located on the 13th, 14th, and 15th floor. You also have access to the gym, the hotel gym, fitness center, the hotel pool, and the laundry room, and that is located on the 2nd floor. So let me take you through here real quick, and then we can go to the 2nd floor and see all that. But I promise you, the view is amazing. Get my key. Well, not my key. All right. So this is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 1,358 square feet. We'll go there in a second. You see all of that. You got your closet as soon as you walk in. Come back up. And everything is staged. The owner does not live here anymore. All right. So this will be your living room, your dining right there. You also have like a little lounge area. Right here. This home is beautifully staged. A little bit of condensation, but the HOA should have that fixed. And also the HOA is $600 and $610 per month. And then as you look outside, you see some of the buildings right here. And this is the Rose Garden right over here, which is amazing, except if you have allergies, you need some Allegra. Right. Take you over here. And now this strip right here is all of L Street. You can see. And at the beginning of this video, we were right under here. When I take you to the bedrooms, we're able to see better. Yeah, because that was the corner when I was pointing out. Yeah, you got some of the buildings in Sacramento, just a couple of them. Sacramento is on the come up, so bear with us. All right, I'll take you to the kitchen. You got your island out here with the granite countertops. I want to say this is cherry wood cabinets with the stainless steel appliances, and that comes with the home. Goodness. And your washer and dryer will be in here. Right here, okay. Yeah, with the appliances, with the hookups right there. Got my bag right there. honestly, this view is just too amazing. I honestly, as soon as I get off work, I would just sit here, just not even do anything, just relax. Maybe pour a little drink. And just enjoy the view. Some friends would hit me up. What do you got going on today? Nothing. Absolutely nothing, because this is all I need to see right here. This is all I have to see. All right, and then what I meant to talk to you about was these hardwood floors. These are Brazilian cherry hardwood floors, all throughout, except for the bedrooms. Let me head on over there now. All right, I'll go to the first bedroom. And each bedroom has its own view as well. Right. So right there is the parking area right next to Cafeteria on L, that restaurant I was talking about just a second ago. And then you won't be able to see it, but to the right of us, it's gonna be called Capital Garage, which is a restaurant as well. That is a convention center right there. That's where you have all conventions like the Comic-Con and stuff like that. So, as well as like a lot of events. And we'll go to the bathroom. Beautifully fixed up. I like the towel and all that. In the shower. Yeah, I can't say enough about this home. It is amazing. We'll go over to the master bedroom. I'll take a look at that. Man. And like I said, as soon as I get home, pour a little something. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. Let's see how much farther we can see at this window. Goodness. I mean, wouldn't you feel like a queen, or queen, king, emperor, enchantress, all that? Wouldn't you feel like that living here? Gosh. This is your closet right here. Excuse me, I was gonna say ensuite, but I'm gonna say closet. Man. Y'all have got to come see this. You got the double sinks in the master, which is so smart. So smart. All right. Same thing over here with the tiles for the shower. And so there is no actual bathtubs in here, in this penthouse. For me, that's okay. For some people, I know that's kind of a deal breaker because they need that. But yeah. Come back out here. Yeah, this place is just amazing. Now, was there anything that you guys would change, fix up, or leave as is? Or what is your favorite part of this penthouse? What is your least favorite part of this penthouse? Like, I would love to know. And let's see if we can go to the second floor for the hotel gym, and then the whole area. Make sure I get this thing locked. Man, everyone is super friendly here too. Let's speak to some of my neighbors. And we would take this floor to go to the second level. Excuse me, this elevator to take to the second level. And that is the service elevator right there. That's the one you need to take up to get up to here. But you can take this one to go down to the second level, the second floor. This opens up. Ooh-wee. Oh, I goes to the ground floor. Hold up. Woo! I did get a little nervous. I got a little nervous because it said PH2. I think it means the same thing. But to be safe for this video, we're gonna go do the service elevator. Yeah, just waiting on that to come up. Yeah, it's crazy how there's penthouses on top of the hotel. Yeah. And something similar to this here downtown Sacramento is the one on J Street, and that is the Revival at the Sawyer Hotel. And so above those floors, there is several penthouses above there. And so there's a hotel that has that's right next to the Golden One Arena. That was actually just recently built either a year or two ago for the Golden One Center. And with the Revival at the Sawyer Hotel, there's actually a club, like a high-end rooftop club with a pool, which is amazing. So that's another one that is similar to this. Let's go to the second floor. Right. Yeah. I wonder what you guys think of it so far. Oh, and the list price is $1,008,000. It's been in the market for 100. It was taken off the market for a little bit, but now it's gotten put back on the market. So it's been on the market for 25 days. And so you see here, restrooms, exercise room, guest laundry, pool, row pool, this way. Ooh, on this way. Let's go walk in. Exercise room, yep. This is the exercise room. They're cleaning that up real quick, as they always do. You got your restrooms here. Right there, just in case you need to do that while you're working out. This is the guest laundry area. And then you've got your pool. Oh, I got your guest car key. There we go. Woo. Woo, woo, woo. And then, when it says take a quick walk through, okay? This is amazing. Penthouses are up there. Circle around. I don't know if you can see all that. There we go. All of that. Come back down. Yeah, cool area, man. No diving. Oh, you got your lounge area right here too. Right there, and then right there. That is about it for the video. You guys got any questions, concerns, go ahead and let me know. And I will see y'all next time. Bye.